Greetings. Today we will review Kwikset Halo Touch Contemporary Square Wi-Fi Fingerprint Smart Lock. Please watch till end of this video, so we will help you to make the purchasing decision, and if this product is good or not. Features you need to know about this product. Keyless entry with just your fingerprint. Halo Touch Smart Door Lock stores up to 100 fingerprints, so you can easily share access with your family and friends. Halo Touch is a Wi-Fi connected fingerprint door lock that connects directly to your home Wi-Fi network and smartphone for a secure smart home that does not require a third-party smart home hub, panel, or subscription. Smart Key Security protects against advanced break-in techniques and allows you to re-key your lock yourself in seconds. Manage your deadbolt lock from anywhere. Remotely lock and unlock your electronic deadbolt, manage users, set schedules, and check the status of your front door. Receive notifications. Monitor home security with notifications of your lock's activity and view the lock event history from your smartphone using the Kwikset app. Buyer's rating by feature. Rated 3.1 for easy to use. Rated 3.0 for battery life. Rated 4.0 for lock feature. Rated 2.9 for tech support. Rated 4.0 for easy to install. Rated 3.3 for fingerprint reader. 522 satisfied buyers. Overall 4.1 star rated. Let's see what buyers saying. We checked hundreds of reviews from buyers and selected few of critical reviews, which helps you to make your buying decision. For detailed review, please check the link in description. $522 satisfied buyers. Best-selling product in Amazon. Overall 4.1 star rated. 77% buyers has 0 complaints. Our final verdict is strong buy. Please let us know your valuable thoughts about our review video in comments. Also like and subscribe. Thank you.